Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Today I wanted to share with you guys my skincare routine. This is a super highly requested video. Everybody always asks me what kind of products I use, what kind of skincare routines I have, because they say that my skin is smooth, perfect. To be honest, my skin is not perfect, and I do break out and have hyperpigmentation just like anybody else would. It's just the way that I take care of my skin that brings out the best of it. So I'm going to share with you today what kind of products I use and my routines that I use, so that you can also use these in your everyday life and your skincare routine as well, so that you too can have smooth skin. Enough with the talking, let's get started with this skincare routine video. The first thing that I do when I'm done with my day, at the end of the day, I wash my face. I make sure that I have no makeup on, no makeup. Just make sure that my face is clean, very clean. So no makeup. So I start off by using makeup wipes. They don't have to be the best makeup wipes. These are the ones I use. You get your makeup off. I use makeup wipes like I showed you, and I basically get off all of my makeup and I wash my face. So when I wash my face, I use a face wash. This is an age-defying exfoliator. So basically what it does is it exfoliates your skin. So it will get out all the dirt, the dust, the grime, the grease, whatever you have in your face, it will get it off. You need to exfoliate your face at least once a week in order for your face to regenerate new skin cells, so that your skin is showing the best of its ability, and so that your results when you're applying makeup, when you're, moisturizing your face, you have smooth skin. You need to exfoliate your face. If you do not exfoliate your face, you have a lot of dust, dirt, grime, whatever, grease that builds up on your face, and it clogs your pores and it makes your face feel rough and disgusting. So you need to exfoliate your face at least once a week. This goes for guys and girls. It doesn't matter. Everybody has skin and they need to take care of it. When I'm using this, I like to use a face scrub, a scrubber. This is battery powered. It has different speeds. I scrub my face with this machine, this little contraption right here, and I literally get off all of the dirt, all of it, making sure that my skin is bare skinned. It doesn't have any products in it besides the products that I'm already using. After I have done that, I usually dry my face by patting it with a towel and not tugging or pulling on my skin, because that's very bad for your skin. You will end up getting more breakouts than you have before, because tugging on your skin will cause irritation to your skin, and irritation to your skin will cause you to break out. So don't tug on your skin when you're drying your face. After I've dried my face, I apply some toner. This is the witch hazel toner. This is like the best stuff out there right now for me, because I have sensitive skin. Now, I thought I would never say this, but I do have sensitive skin. This really prevents my skin from breaking out and any future mishaps happening to my skin. So you always want to use a toner that's natural. After I have toned my face, what I do is I moisturize. Always choose a moisturizer that has SPF, especially during the day, because you want to protect your skin from the sun. Don't want to get sunburn. Even though sunscreen does make you greasy, you still need it in your everyday skincare routine, because sunscreen will protect your skin from getting sunburn, and you don't want that. This is the moisturizer that I use. It's the Murad Hydration Moisturizer. It is very, very good. It has SPF in it, SPF 30. Super good for the daytime. Then I would use a night cream like this. This is also a very good cream. The only difference is it does not have SPF, so you need to wear some sunscreen if you're wearing this outside or in front of like the sun. But this is meant for the nighttime before you go to bed. So that's my skincare routine at night. I use night products such as this. I know I'm going to get asked a lot of questions about serums, and yes, I also do apply serums, but it varies very occasionally. I do. There are two different serums that I would use. Either this one, which is the L'Oreal one, or I would use the Physicians Formula one. What these do is that it kind of makes your skin lift itself. If you think that you need more glow to your skin, a little bit more extra to your skin, then you can apply a serum to it. Now, you don't need to apply a serum every day, but if you would like to, you can. So it's totally optional, it's up to you. Let's talk a little more about face masks. There are many sorts of face masks that you can apply. There are clay masks, there are sheet masks, there are so many masks out there. Let me show you the very two kinds of masks that I use. The first mask that I use is a clay mask. It's a very nice clay mask. I know a lot of people might use this one. It is absolutely amazing, and this is perfect for like any kind of skin type. I use it almost twice a week. Sometimes I do it once a week. If I don't have time, I'll do it once a week, but if I have time, I'll do it twice a week. I always make sure I have time for this every week. The second type of mask that I use is very important as well. It's this mask right here. It's an illuminating face mask. This is also a very important mask that you guys should always use and have in your skincare routine, because stuff like this can keep your skin from breaking out and keep your skin from being too dry. You need to have something like this in your skincare routine. There you have it, you all. This is all the products that I use every single day, at least every single day. I make sure that I am very up to date with my products. I make sure that I'm up to date with all the routines that I use. I make sure that I'm up to date with it. You don't really have to follow every single step that I've told you. This is just what I want to share with you and what I use. If you ended up learning something from this video, then please do give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to share it with a friend that may need this video in their life. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to take care of your skin too. Stay safe. Goodbye.